Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you the best secrets and tips for cold calling. Tip number one and secret number one is we wanna make sure that we have a good headset. You want a noise canceling headset. Now, disclaimer, I don't mean noise canceling where you can't hear anything. I mean noise canceling where the other person can't hear anything. That means you need a good mic. So after you get your headset, the next thing I wanna do is I'm gonna give you some sales skills, okay? These are some tips that you need to use when you're on the phone. Do not, and disclaimer, do not ask for the person that you are looking for when they answer the phone. Let's just say you're calling about 123 Banana Street and Tim owns 123 Banana Street. When I call that phone number for Tim, I'm not gonna say, "Hi, is Tim available?" Why? What do telemarketers do when they call you? They say, "Hi, is Adrian available? Hi, is Monica available? Hi, is Julie available? Is Scott available?" And what do we all do when we hear that? Nope, we hang up, right? Sorry, wrong number, hang up, right? Because it gives us that opportunity to hang up. Don't do that. Don't be a telemarketer. Don't act the way they act. Instead, I want you to remember that people like to do business with people like themselves. So I want you to therefore act as if you already know the person. Another thing, don't ask, "How are you today?" Because I want you to remember that every single little time that you pause for them to talk is an opportunity for them to get off the phone. And you need to get your pitch out enough time. You need to be able to get it out so they can hear it, number one, and they don't hang up before that. So these are little things you can do to make sure you keep them on the phone, get your pitch across. Once you get your pitch across, from there you can take it, whatever direction you want to take it. But at the beginning is really important. What I want you to remember is to eat your M&Ms. I'm not talking about peanut or chocolate M&Ms, okay? I'm not talking about the candy M&Ms. I'm talking about the mirror and match. M&Ms to me is mirror and match. You're gonna mirror what they said and you're gonna match how they said it. If I can sound like you, if I can come off like I'm one of your friends, you're more than likely to do business with me. So if you wanna master this, I want you to remember that you have 6 seconds from the moment that that person answers the phone for them to determine if they're gonna stay on the phone with you or if they're gonna hang up. 6 seconds. Cold calling, selling, is not so much what you're saying, but what the client is saying. And it's important that you listen to what the client is saying so you can pick up on those key words to use back in your sales conversation. Does this make sense? This is really important, okay? So you're gonna eat your M&Ms, you're gonna match how they say it and what they say. Howdy, howdy, hello, hello. If they answer the phone like this, hopefully you can hear me. If they answer the phone like this, you are going to respond like this. Because if they're like this, and you get on the phone like this, there's no rapport. They're here, and you're here. This makes sense? It's really important, okay? If they're half asleep, and you're like, "Oh, hey, oh my God, nice talking to you." You just scared the shit out of them. You just woke them up out of the half asleep. They ain't gonna wanna stay on the phone with you, okay? This is, you guys, this is the key to selling. These are all the little secret little tiny things that no one ever tells you. I wanna make sure that if you're cold calling and you're out there spending your time and you're investing your energy, you're getting a good return from it. This is really important, okay? So take everything you just learned today, go implement it. Remember, knowledge without action is nothing more than a hallucination and dead knowledge. So go implement it, go take action on it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Hope you got a lot of value out of today's video. I'll see you on the next episode. Let's go.